Hello, thanks for watching this video. Hokui Sustainability Matters. This is MRC6, Material and Resources Credit 6, PBT Source Reduction, LEED, Cadmium, and copper. It only applies to healthcare project. Let me explain the LEED, LEAD first. There is an important bill, its name is California AB 1953, Assembly bill, okay? It requires you to limit the LEED content less than 0.2% in solder and flux. And for weighted average, it should contain less than 0.25% LEED in weighted servers of pipes, pipe fittings, plumbing fittings. But for our credit, it just mentioned solder less than 0.2% LEED content, then less than a weighted average of 0.25% LEED in weighted surfaces, and that is flux, okay? So two main points here, solder and flux. Here also something else. It mentioned the SDWA, Safe Drinking Water Act. It requires the LEED free, but does not qualify, does not meet the purpose of this credit. However, I Google it and I think it's almost the same as California AB 1953. However, don't use SDWA here. Next, LEED-free roofing and flushing. Flushing is something that we put on roof to prevent from the rain or snow. And for electrical wire and cable, it should contain LEED less than 300 ppm. For both interior and exterior pans, do not contain LEED at all. For your renovation projects, remove and appropriate disposal of those disconnected wires with LEED stabilizer to conform with 2002 National Electrical Code requirement. On page 559, LEED before reference guide, there is a typo, electric. It should be electrical, as I just point out, National Electrical Code requirement. Some exemption here, LEED for radiation shielding, copper used for MRI shielding. MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. I just complete the LEAD part. Let's start Cadmium. Pans cannot contain intentionally added cadmium, both interior and exterior. However, this reference guide does not mention what the intentional added means. As I know, the REACH, European norm, registration, evaluation, authorization, and restriction of chemicals, it limited the usage of cadmium recently, but that's not a part of LEED, LEED. Okay. Next, copper. Copper pipe applications reduce or eliminate joint-related source of copper corrosion. It requires you to use mechanical copper joint systems or followed by 2 ASTM. Standard. Solder joints complying with ASTM B828 2002. Flux complying with ASTM B813 2010. LEED suggests you before purchasing and installation, check the product's MSDS. It stands for Material Safety Data Sheet. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.